Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Bexley and Land O'Lakes, and we're going to start a 3-car garage. Brand new construction. Busy around here. So this house is a little bit different as far as the baseboards go. They have baseboards all the way down to the slab, which is a little bit unusual. So we are going to do baseboards here, but we're just going to do them along the sides and follow the height of the existing baseboard. So we're all set up. We got to break this cap. We're going to fill the expansion joints for a seamless surface. So we're all ready to go. Okay, just going to jump in for a quick segment, and here we are all prepped up. Expansion joints filled. A couple little divots here and there, but otherwise not too bad. But there was a lot of repairs along the edges, actually. A lot of voids to fill along the baseboards, and there's Lauren. She's starting the baseboards now. We have thickened epoxy so we can go vertical. And you can see how nice we prepped up that lead-in edge. All white concrete, just the way it should be. So we're gonna have this floor in this afternoon. Looking good so far. Okay, here we are, we're all done with this 3-car garage with baseboards. So this is a full chip job, written lifetime warranty, polyaspartic top coat, and this color is gun flint. So we cleaned up this lead-in edge, rounded it over, looks good. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.